In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Java in your machine, in your Linux Ubuntu machine. Okay, so we're going to go to search here. I'm going to go and find terminal. So terminal like that, and you'll find terminal. Click on that. And the first thing we're going to do, now I'm going to use command line because I think it's the easiest way to do this. There's different ways to do this. Obviously, you can just go online and search, but terminal is fine. All right, so we're going to go ahead and say sudo bash first because we want to make sure that we get as an administrator. Say enter. I'm going to enter my password, so you should enter yours as well. Okay, so now we are as administrators here. And the next thing we're going to do, we are going to type the following. Say add -apt -repository space ppa web app d8 team, like that, okay, and Java, and then press enter. Okay, and we'll see this important note here about Java. Okay, Now, to run that program, we can say Java test like that, and we should see hello, which is exactly what we set it to print. Okay, so now we know that Java is indeed installed on our machine, Ubuntu Linux here. All right. Now, if you had any issues, so when you say Java C tested Java and it didn't compile or something, just make sure that you typed in exactly as it is right here. Okay, class test, and make sure exactly. Okay, it has to be exactly like that. If it's exactly like that and you have some sort of error that says Java wasn't installed, just go back, rewatch this video and follow exactly as we did, as I showed you, to install Java and make sure that we set up the variables and everything. All right, so perfect. So Java now is installed and we are good to go. I'll see you in the next video.